Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have discussed about the and, or, and the negate logical operators. In this session, we will be learning. In this session, we will be learning the methods of the predicate interface. The predicate interface will be having the and, or, and the negate methods. Let's relate them with the logical operators. Okay, let's see the what are the methods we have in the predicate interface. The predicate interface will be having the methods like and, or, and the negate. So the and method will be taking the another predicate as a parameter, and it will be returning the composed predicate. This and method is exactly similar to the logical and operator. Now here we have a one more method, right? Or method. This or method is also taking the another predicate as a parameter. This or method also taking the another predicate as a parameter, and it will be returning the composed predicate. And negate method, it will return the predicate that represents the logical negation. Okay, let's discuss the and, or, and the negate with an example. Let's take a small scenario. Let's explain you all this and or method. Yeah. In the last session, what we have did it like we have written a code for testing a single condition. Okay. So person dot get age is greater than 18 or not. So if the person age is greater than 18, we are saying that it is this predicate will be returning a true. Okay. So if we want to test one more condition, then you have to write one more predicate. Now if multiple for that predicate also, if you want to test it, we have to pass the person object. Instead, what I want to do is I want to compose these two predicates into a single predicate. Let's take an example and let's explain you what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's say this is a scenario. Let's say we are writing a code for this club membership scenario, and here we are. The scenario is saying the question is we have a person age which determines if the age determine if they are eligible for the club membership. Given a person age determines if they are eligible for club membership. A person is eligible only if the age is strictly greater than 18 and strictly less than 60. Here they are using strictly in the sense we have to use it is saying that age should be between the 18 and 60 only. Okay, so here you can use a you can use and method. Why we are using the and method here? If both conditions should satisfy, age should be greater than 18 and age should be less than 60. So that's why we are using the and method. So for this, what I'll do is I'll be writing the two predicates actually. The first predicate will be checking age is greater than 18, age is greater than 18, and the other predicate will be age is less than 60. Then what I'll do is I'll combine these two predicates into a single predicate. Let's see how I will do that. Let's see how I will do that. I'll be creating a, let's say I have a, let me write a pseudocode, small pseudocode actually. So, if I want to test any condition, what I have to do, I have to override the test method of the predicate interface. The predicate interface will be taking the object as a parameter. So here we are passing the person as a parameter. So person dot get age is greater than 18. So the age should be greater than 18. You can take this as a one predicate. This is a predicate one. Predicate. This is a predicate one. This is a predicate one. Okay. Now we have to check one more condition, right? Age should be less than 60 also. So you'll say something like this: person dot get age. The age should be less than 60. The age should be less than 60. And this will be the age should be less than 60, and it will be taking the person and the lambda expression, and this is a one more predicate. This is a one more predicate. This is a P2. Now we have the two predicates. Now what I'll do is I want to combine these two predicates and I want to create a single predicate for both of them. So what I'll do is I'll be using, as I have, I am strictly checking whether the age is greater than 18 or the age should be less than 16. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll be using the AND method. So I'll say P1 dot AND of P2. The AND method will be taking, if you see over here, let me show that AND method. The AND method will be taking the another predicate as a parameter, and what it will be returning? It will be returning the predicate as the type, return type actually. See here, this AND method will be taking the another predicate, right? This is one predicate, right? Another predicate, right? We are giving it. And what this will return? This will return the another predicate as a parameter. Let's say this is a resultant predicate, a resultant predicate, or you can see P3 also, no problem in it. Okay, fine. So now we got the composed predicate. Now we will use this composed predicate and we will be calling the test method. We'll be calling the test method by passing the person details. So let's create the person. Person equals to new person, and we'll be setting up the data for a person. We'll be using the setters to set up the data. Set name. I'll be using name. So let's say Sajjad, and I'll say person dot set age. I'll be setting the age as 28, something like this. Now I'll say resultant predicate. Now I want to pass this person to the test method of the predicate. So I'll pass test of person. So now this person will be this test is a abstract method. The implementation is available. The implementation is available over here for this test method. Okay, so it will call this test with the test method will call the implementation. Okay, implementation of this resultant predicate. It will come over here. So P1 dot and of P2. So it will say that okay, first P1 is what? P1 is a predicate. So P1 is a predicate. The implementation is over here actually. It will copy the person details to this predicate and it will check person dot get age. So it will be getting the age 28. 28 is greater than 18. True or false? True. Okay. So this predicate will be returning a true. Okay. Now true dot and next P2. P2 is what? P2 is also one of the predicate. So again, it will be copying the person details to the predicate. Now here we are checking person dot get age. Age is 28. 28 is less than 60. True. So both conditions are satisfying. True and true always returns the true only. So this will this will be returning, this test method will be returning the true only. True only, and this is the result. So why we are using the AND method? If we want to test more than one condition, then you have to use this AND method. Look, you will be writing the two predicates, you will be combining these two predicates, and you will be generating the composed predicate. You will be using this composed predicate and you will be calling the test method. Okay, so in the next session, we will be writing the code, writing a program on this example itself. Later, we can see the R method as well. Okay, until then, thank you for watching.